Ebi babigambira mu rukiko olubabire bine olubira hari Las Vegas muri Mbarara City. Abashaho n'abahango kurwo mfambayo track ahitendekyo rya Mbarara University of Science and Technology ne bagira ngo embabazi y'ekiraguzu yatebwa amamani ne basa kuyambihanga.
As much as we pursue the conventional treatment, we have to also hand in hand work with herbal medicine to see that they complement each other. This is something that we are trying to push.
Ehurire giobwa hateriyo netorero ebyanga bitari bimwe na bimwe okwegesa abantu okubine kutungura omutindo gw'emibazi y'ekiraguzu.
Traditional medicine practitioners across communities in Uganda. We teach them in different methods of standardization, not just of their products, but also of their practices. We've done this across Uganda already. We've been to southwestern Uganda in Masindi. We've been to Kamwenge. We've been to the central region in Pigi. And recently we have just come from Luka in the Busoga region to teach these people that their practice has value.
Dr. Kasumu Mbatoro mukuru wa Farm Biotechnology hamwe no kuri embabazi y'ekiraguzu ahitendo rya Mbarara University of Science and Technology nagira ngo nibenda barebe ngo embabazi y'ekiraguzu yaza ha mutindo.
Adding value to traditional medicine, what we call herbal sector. We want to tap the indigenous knowledge of Africa, meaning we need to add value to our herbal medicine.
Nashoborera ngo itendekyo ryahereze kushohoza beji abakugukira omubazi y'ekiraguzu kandi bakiriyo no batendeka abandi.
We are waiting to graduate many more in the next graduation. So really this is a very powerful center now, because it was originally established by support of the World Bank.
And when you go to the rural communities, you find that there are people who have stayed close to 90 years and they have never fallen sick. Or if they have never fallen sick, they have been using traditional medicine and they have never had side effects.
Abantu bagira ngo bwahati Farm Biotrack Foundation ineja gumiza mwenehereza beji ebyo kukoresa n'obuyambi okurwo banki y'ensi yona bwakwemerezebwa. Adolphe Ayureka, TV West, Agacencwire.